Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can record anything in your Infinix smartphone with the help of recorder. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your recorder. Here it is. Then you have to allow all these and give all the permissions like music and audio allow, notification allow. Then you have to simply open the recorder app like this, and here you have to just simply click on it and it will be recording. You can see, click on tick, it's recorded. You can also record calls from here and recording here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.